HotMamaTravel!
Hello and welcome to the channel, Hot Mama Travel. Today we are taking you to SeaWorld's Christmas celebration. It is the last day for the celebration, so let's go see how much Christmas celebrating there is to do. What did you get, my friend?
I got the brown sugar old fashioned. Look how macho that cup is. That's a huge drink.
That is so
Very good.
Cheers. Think they're tired from running around all Christmas?
It's Prancer and Dancer!
Can you remember all their names?
I'm forgetting their names.
Remember the song?
Dancer, Daughter of Blitzen, the Connor of Cupid, and
Oh, look at so we got our first beer and some snacks, and then we went on a couple rides, and now Keely and Shaden and Allison are on that big ride right there, Electric Eel, and now we're gonna go where? Where are we going?
the Arctic.
To the Arctic. Woo! Catch the ice wall.
Cold finger time.
Brr.
If you do this long enough.
Is it cold?
Yeah, but I think put your tongue on it.
No. You'll get sick. Kevin, why?
She actually did it.
I know.
Why?
Don't put your tongue on. No, you'll get sick. Don't do that.
Really put their hand here a while. Oh, that's cold. How do they do that? Oh, he's coming over to say hi to us.
Hi!
Wow, look at his mouth. He's so cool.
Go ahead, crawl through the cave.
There's a polar bear. Be careful.
No, don't try and scare her when you're the scared one. Come on, go with Ken. Go. You go through the cave. You go around. I'll meet you on the other side. Go in. I'll meet you.
Ken's in there.
Go in there. I'll get you. I'll see you on the other side. Go on. Claire. Claire, go in.
Whoa, what is this?
Is that tracks? Oh, hi. Hey, can you get a picture? Say cheese. Wait, get together. Stand together. Say cheese. All right. All right.
Beluga.
Claire, where's yours? Right here. Aw, you want to go see the penguins?
Beluga's gonna eat penguin. Santa.
What do you want to do?
Hello to Santa.
I think we're going to get to see Mr. and Mrs. Claus. We're going to say thank you for all my presents. Oh, nice to meet you.
Yeah, and I like my presents.
Really?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
I enjoyed my presents so much. I only found two medals, rusty screws. I only found those. I got another protector.
Was that your favorite thing?
Yeah. And I have a microscope.
A microscope?
Yeah.
That's so cool. Does it have glitter in it, or can you actually like bring it up? So there's two different kinds. I like the ones with glitter.
Wait.
Wow. I think it's your turn. Oh, it's their turn. Go say hi. All right. It's Mrs. Claus. Look at, there they are. Show them your penguin. Oh, he saw it. Look, he's looking. He's like, wow. Oh, look at, he wants to see it. He's trying to see your penguin. Oh yeah, and your beluga. Oh, look at Claire. He's trying to see your penguin doll. Look at him. He's like, let me see, let me see.
It scared me.
Kent, that's crazy.
Oh, slimy and like dry slimy at the same time.
He feels dry and slimy at the same time.
Yeah.
All right, well, I'm sure he's coming around again. So, oh, here he comes again. Come this way more. Come here.
A lot of them are going to be in that deep end because these sharks
Right
are nocturnal. So, all
right, here it goes, here it goes.
Just waiting for the sun to set.
Touch it.
More
Woo! You did it.
Let's go.
You can't reach it. It's too low. But just look. Look, he's coming right at you.
Oh, went that direction.
Nemo! Look!
SeaWorld with a Christmas show called Christmas Soul, right?
Yay!
And then it's
Everybody's so excited!
And then it's off to Old Town for dinner. Yum, yum, yum.
Yum, yum, yum.
Hi, Claire.
Hi.
Did you have a good day at SeaWorld today?
Yeah.
What was your favorite thing?
The shark.
The shark.
Yeah.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy we won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
We concluded our festive evening at SeaWorld with dinner at Fiesta de Reyes in Old Town San Diego. Feel free to explore more videos from Old Town San Diego on this channel. And until next time, guys, bye. It's very dark. Okay, it's freezing out, and these two weirdos have ice cream. Ah!
Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe and never miss another minute of the fun. And of course, we offer detailed destination guides and travel tips over at our blog, HotMamaTravel.com, to make your next family adventure hot.